I just got a brand new cordless vacuum cleaner from PRETTYCARE, and I can't wait to get it open and show you how it works. So we've unboxed our vacuum and we're ready to assemble. The first thing we want to do is take the telescopic arm. Now this will extend from 32 to 41 inches so you can get those hard to reach areas. You'll notice on either end there's a plug, so you want to make sure when you're attaching to the other side, you line this up exactly so that the prongs go into the right holes. So the first thing we'll do, let's grab the head of the vacuum and we're going to attach this end. I'm going to line this up and here it's snapped together. You know when it clicks, it's together. Now let's take the actual vacuum portion. This is where the motor is housed, and you'll notice this is where the dust is collected inside of here. You can snap this right off, and I'll show you exactly how this works. Your dust release is here, so you can clean this out, and then this is your filter, which will come, the whole thing comes out, but you can clean this individually. You want to keep this clean, and you also want to wash this. It comes with a spare, so that you can actually have one in the washer and one ready to go at all times. But you want to make sure you keep these clean and that they're completely dry before you use them again. Now we're going to attach right here to the end of the telescopic arm. Again, you have these prongs. You need to make sure they line up just right. And there we go. Okay, so we're ready to go. I actually have been charging the motor, and what we probably need to do is let it charge a little bit longer, but I'm going to show you how that part works. You can charge this either individually by taking the motor out and then charging it, or you can actually charge the entire unit intact. I haven't opened this yet, but it's actually a little hanger that you can attach to the wall and then hang your entire vacuum to keep it off the floor and out of the way. But this is the actual motor, and this goes right here in this opening. You can see right there. When I turn this on, it's going to show me how much power I have. It also will alert me with a light if I need to do something with the dust collector, like if the filter's clogged, that kind of thing. It will alert me to that. So let's give it a try. I hope you enjoy your PRETTYCARE cordless vacuum just like I'm enjoying mine. It has very powerful suction. It has a nice long battery life, so you can get a lot of usage out of it. It really comes in handy having that LED to tell me exactly what I need to do when it needs to be cleaned and if it needs to be charged. And it comes with that extra filter, so you're able to change it out and use one at a time while the other one's being cleaned. Don't forget to let this dry before you put it back into your machine. And don't forget you have some special attachments for those hard to reach areas. It comes with a really nice brush attachment, and also it comes with one of these